Namaskaram. Happy Navratri to you all. Today, we will continue to seek the blessings of Goddess Adi Parashakti through the verses of Adi Shankaracharya's Saundarya Lahari. Today, we will be reciting Shlokam number 23 and 24. Tvaya hritva vamam vapurapari triptena manasa sharirardham shambho aparamapi shanke hritamabhut yadetattvadrupam sakalam arunabham trinayanam kuchabhyamanamram kutila shashi chudalamakutam jagatsute dhata hariravati rudraha kshapayate tiraskurvannetat swamapi vapurisha stirayati sada purva sarvam tadidamanu grihnadi cha shivaha tavagyamalambya kshanachalitayoho भ्रूलतिकयोः